Let's make a dulce de leche iced latte. It is super easy. So I like using a mocha pot to make my espresso. I add my water, my favorite espresso coffee. So when you're adding your coffee, it really just depends how strong you want it. So I typically just do 2.5 spoons. Sometimes I'll do three, really depending on what kind of kick I want to get off my caffeine, how much caffeine I want. Yeah, once I do that, I go ahead and I put it in my stove and I let my coffee rise. Now, I do have like two videos going more in detail on how I do that, so you can just go to my page and watch the other ones. But I always do my coffee with brown sugar. The star of the show is this Dulce de Leche by Nestle. It is super creamy and rich, so I add it to my brown sugar, and now I'm adding my espresso and I'm letting all of that just get to know each other so that the flavors can come to life. And I take my dulce de leche and I coat my cup with it. I go ahead and I add my ice and I add milk, and I just do whole milk. Then I add my coffee and dulce de leche and sugar mixture. You definitely need the sugar because the dulce de leche will not really sweeten the coffee. It just gives it a nice creamy velvety taste to it that I really enjoy. You should definitely give it a try. Then I add my favorite whipped cream and more of that dulce de leche to top off my drink to make it look nice. And this was so good. You should definitely give it a try. Thank you so much for watching. See you later.